me and my man Mason back here are heading to Walmart to get a remote control airplane. This video is actually about keyword intent and how absolutely important it is when you're running any kind of search-based query, whether it's Google, Amazon, whatever. If you're not using the right type of keywords to sell your product or your services, then you're gonna get a ton of clicks and no sales or leads or anything. And that basically boils down to this. So if we're trying to look for a remote control airplane on Google and we just type in remote control airplane, we're gonna get tons of different facts and Wikipedia about remote control airplanes, how they work, different manufacturers, stuff like that. That's what's called a low intent keyword. If we typed in buy a remote control airplane near me or stores that sell remote control airplanes near me, then we're gonna get very high intent stuff, right? We're gonna be able to go and buy that and know where to go to buy it immediately, right? So that's gonna lead to a faster sale, faster lead, whatever it is. This applies to any type of business, doesn't matter. Keyword intent is the most important thing that you can do when marketing.